Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The Impressionist brush tool in Photoshop Elements simulates the brush strokes of a fine art painting. The Impressionist brush provides the same tool options as the brush tool. Additionally, to change the brush's style, area, and tolerance, click the Advanced button in the Tool Options bar to open a Brush Settings panel. To set the fine art style to apply, select a choice from the Style drop-down in this panel. To set the style's application area, use the Area slider. To determine the color tolerance of adjacent pixels to change, use the Tolerance slider. Lower tolerance percentages let you apply strokes almost anywhere in the image. Higher tolerance percentages change fewer adjacent pixels. To close the panel, click the X in its upper right corner. To apply the brush strokes after choosing your settings, click and drag in the image.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.